We also have a progress review, which is a bit like an interactive dashboard. And so this will show you a status of all of the geometry in your building. Right now I'm just looking at level 1, but I could turn on and see the full building. And what it shows you is a few different things based on these color codes in the upper left. So everything in red indicates something that has not been linked to any geometry. So it's letting the user know that you may want to link that to geometry so that you can progress it and capture the percent complete for it. Anything that's in gray means that that geometry has been linked to an activity, but it just hasn't started. Nothing's been progressed against it yet. Anything in yellow means that progress has started for that geometry, but it hasn't been completed, so it's in progress. This blue color indicates if there's a mix of completed and in progress for different activities for the same piece of geometry. And then the turquoise indicates completed geometry. You can see the turquoise here. In the lower left-hand corner, we have the activity percent complete. So this is overall for the whole schedule. So far I've completed 1% activity completion percentage. And that activity completion percentage will continue to increase as you complete more geometry and progress more geometry for your project. It's also going to tell me how many days are left on the schedule and how many activities are remaining to complete. And then I can also click this export report button. This export report is another way of getting data out of the system. These first 3 file types here are schedule files that I can export. So P6, Microsoft Project, and Asta Power Project. I can export those out and I can use those to recreate the schedule in those schedule authoring systems, or use them to update the schedule in those scheduling authoring systems. We also have a generic schedule report which shows all of that schedule data in a really simple CSV format. And we have a progress report export which shows you all of that data in the progress reports and exports that into report. I'm going to click download here, and then all of those files will download, and I can view those in their formats and do whatever I please with them, send them off to my partners, or take them to do updating in other systems or updating business intelligence platforms.